Kiernan Structural Steel was established in 1989 by Frank and Dolores Kiernan. The materials we work with is all mild steel, S275 and S355 is the grades.
From design to conception, there's really two client options. One is a traditional build, which is basically the client has a design team such as architects, engineers. They will provide us with drawings. We send them to fabrication in the workshop. The second option for the client is a design and build, where we will take, say, the client's planning drawings and we will take full control of the design of the project. It's completely our own risk.
We work on all sides of the project, from the very small to the very large. The largest project we would work would be up on 30 million. The technology and equipment we have in place at the moment is plate line, which will take plate up to 100 mil deep and take in a 12 metre sheet, 2.5 metres wide. It's oxyacetylene and plasma. It's precision cutting and drilling. We also have an angle line as well for do angle up to 200 by 200 by 25. Drill and saw lines, we have two of those with large capacity.
The pieces are all fabricated and assembled. Each piece is manually checked before welding.
We have in-house weld testing, fillet welding, ultrasonic for butt welds. Then that takes us on to the shop blaster. We have a post-fabrication blaster which is 3 metres wide by 1.7 deep. It blasts the steel after fabrication, which is very important for high quality.
Once that stage is complete, it is sent for painting, depending on the client paint specification. The paint is cured, it's loaded onto trailers and delivered to site.
We have an in-house design. It also does value engineering. We also have in-house structural steel detailing. That's a very important part of the project, because if the guy that's detailing gets it wrong, it's very, very serious, because we work to a 2 mil tolerance. We also do con floor decking and shear stud welding. We do our own netting, and we also supply our own edge protection.
We are accredited to ISO 9001 for quality management systems and also for execution class 4 EN 1090 for CE marking. As a result of this, all our raw materials, they're entered into stock and they're individually given a label which is traced back to the mill heat number.
Our workforce is all in-house trained. They're a very experienced workforce, from our offices down to the floors to the sites. They're all working directly for us. The fabricators, most of those guys are working with us over 20 years. And then we have our own plant, cranes, all steel erectors, again very experienced guys, all safety officers. Health and safety is so important. Also, we train apprentices and we send them away to college, and after 4 years they're fully trained apprenticeship in welding and fabrication.
Consideration for the environment is key for us here at KSSL. Our factory is based in a rural setting, very close to a local river. A lot of our neighbours are farmers. As a result, we operate to ISO 14001 environmental management systems, and we also have an IPPC licence for paint emissions.
What makes our service unique in Kiernan Structural Steel is we're a family-run business. We're honourable and reliable and trustworthy, and we have that for 25 years. It's always repeated business all the time, so when you have repeated business, the customer is always happy. So it's very important when you're working with customers to be honourable, be on time with the project and on budget. Our vision for KSSL in the future is, since we constructed this very state-of-the-art steel spraying unit out here, our new large facility, and the post-fabrication blaster, we were able to take on an awful lot larger contracts. And when clients come in here and see the facilities we have on offer, they're very, very impressed with the quality control we have here, health and safety, and our employees out here are high skilled. We're able to take on contracts up as far as large as 10,000 tonnes structural steel jobs.